Do you have a bare spot or thin patch in your lawn? Here's how to fix it in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Prep the area by loosening up the soil. A gardening weasel is a great tool for breaking up the soil quickly, but a rake will do just as well. Step 2. If the spot is uneven, you can add a little soil to help smooth out dips and bumps. But in most cases, adding extra soil isn't necessary. You just need to loosen up the existing soil. Step 3. Spread grass seed evenly over the patch. Make sure to buy a high-quality grass seed mix. You may want to also consider a lawn patch kit, as they usually have seed, fertilizer, and mulch all in one. Step 4. Lightly rake the seed into the soil. This helps the new seed make good contact with the soil so it can germinate. You want good seed-to-soil contact, but don't bury the seed too deep. Step 5. Water the area lightly and keep it consistently moist while the seed is germinating. While you will see grass seed germinate anywhere from 4 to 30 days, you should closely monitor watering for at least 45 days until the seed establishes. Step 6. It is important to avoid walking or mowing over the spot until the new grass is established. Wait until the new seedlings are 4 inches tall before mowing. With just a little care, your bare spot will blend right back into the rest of your lawn,